Nike Air Max Plus VII University Red is making a major comeback, delivering a fresh revival for fans of classic Air Max history. Reintroduced after its original 2005 debut, this release builds hype with modern updates while keeping the iconic DNA collectors love. Nike continues its strong retro push, and the return of the Air Max Plus VII stands out with its bold gradient detailing, ombre-styled transitions, and Sean McDowell's signature AMP platform. The upper shifts from a clean wide heel into a powerful molten red finish, giving the sneaker a dynamic look that appeals to OG enthusiasts and new collectors alike. With multiple colorways already resurfacing, this University Red edition is one of the most anticipated drops. Expect the Nike Air Max Plus VII University Red to release in the coming weeks with a retail price of $180, cementing its place in Nike's strong retro lineup for 2025.